Situated in Pune, India, Maxlord Industries is one of the leading manufacturers of cotton seed processing plant. So let us know how to convert cotton seeds into cotton cake in this industry. It starts with cotton seeds. The cotton seed is pushed towards the elevator with the help of conveyor. 100% pure cotton seeds move through the conveyor. After proceeding from here, these cotton seeds move upwards through the elevator. There is a magnet in the middle of this process so that impurities like metals stick to this magnet. Then these pure cotton seeds are split into different machines through another conveyor. This cotton seed collects in a mill after splitting. This mill turns round and pushes the cotton seeds down. From here, a warm room and grinding cotton seed gives two types of production. First, cotton oil, and second, cotton seed cake. The first production is all machine. This cotton seed oil is deposited in a big tank through a pipe. The second production is that the grounded cotton seeds collect and form the cotton cake. This cotton cake falls down through a cutter blade. This conveyor pushes the cotton cake filled from all machines towards another machine. The cotton seed cake coming through the conveyor goes uphill from the elevator. From here on, one by one, sack is filled. After this whole process is over, this cotton cake is specially tested and weighed.